Hello, in this video I will show you how to easily and safely exit the Fastboot mode on TECNO phone. So let's imagine the situation that somehow your phone goes to a Fastboot mode and you don't know how to exit this mode. So basically it's really easy. All you need to do is use volume keys to navigate in Fastboot mode. Here you can choose few options to quit the Fastboot mode. You can choose the last one, so you can choose power off, or you can choose the first one, reboot system now. In my case, let me choose the first one. As you can see, I've got my correct option highlighted, and now all I need to do is press power key to reboot system now. Let's wait until your phone will boot into a normal mode. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device and your phone is in normal mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.